Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my forested natural hair when I want a really deep cleanse. I start off with the Prepoo using my Aunt Jackie's coconut cream deep conditioner, and I just use a really thick oil. Whatever oil you choose works. So I start off by coating my hair a lot using the deep conditioner, and then I go in with the oil afterwards, and I just make sure that I put this all over my hair. I did just get out of a protective style. I had the Senegalese twist, so my hair is not damaged, but it's really just kind of weak and brittle right now, just because I haven't been able to wash it and truly take care of my strands. So I'm going to do that by starting off with a Prepoo before actually washing my hair. And then I'm just going to put on a bag to make sure that I'm letting this lock into my hair, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. After that, I go ahead and rinse it out. This is my hair completely rinsed. Now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and get all of that dirt out of my hair using the Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo and conditioner. My hair was super dirty. If you guys have not watched my previous video, I do show you guys taking down my natural protective style, and you can see how much dirt and gunk and edge control and oil was in my hair. So I actually do this shampoo process twice. I did it once on camera, and then I did it again off camera. Okay, once the shampoo is completely rinsed out, I'm going to do a deep condition using the olive oil replenishing conditioner, and I'm also going to detangle using Aunt Jackie's instant detangling therapy, and I absolutely love that stuff. It literally makes my hair feel like silk, and I just pretty much coat my entire head using both of these products. This gives me a really good slip consistency, and it allows me to kind of get some of the knots out of my hair, because we all know that once you come out of a protective style, you're gonna have a little bit of shedding as well as some knots in your hair. So I just detangle using my wide tooth comb. I also use my fingers to get any really big knots out, and then I just pretty much twist this up because I am gonna let this sit on my hair for about 15 or 20 minutes as well. You want to always make sure you're taking your time when detangling any knots in your hair, because you don't want to just yank them out. You can actually pull out really good hair strands by doing that. So you just want to take your time when you're combing your hair out, as well as finger detangling. It looks like I'm doing it fast because this video is sped up, but it's really not that fast. I am definitely taking my time. Okay, after I let this sit, I went ahead and rinsed this out, and then I just went ahead and blow dried my hair, and that is all I do for my deep cleanse wash day.